Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your health insights with 23andMe, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your health insights with 23andMe, start by visiting the official 23andMe website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Provide your email address and choose a strong password. Confirm your email address by checking your inbox for a verification message. Once verified, log into your new account. Select the health service package that suits your needs. Add the selected package to your cart and proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping details and payment information. Review your order summary before finalizing the purchase. Once your kit arrives, open the package and read the instructions carefully. Follow the instructions to collect your saliva sample. Make sure to close the collection vial securely after filling it. Prepare the return shipping by placing the vial back in its original packaging. Mail the sample back to 23andMe using the provided prepaid label. Wait for your sample to arrive at the lab, which may take a few days. You will receive an email notification when your results are ready. Log back into your account to access your health reports. Explore the health insights provided, including genetic predispositions and carrier status. Take note of any actionable insights that may benefit your healthcare decisions. Review the privacy settings in your account to control how your data is used. Consider opting into research studies offered by 23andMe for additional benefits. Stay informed about updates and new features through your account dashboard. Always remember to consult with a healthcare professional regarding your results. This ensures you fully understand the implications of your health insights. Securing your health insights is about understanding your data and making informed choices. With these steps, you can confidently manage your health information with 23andMe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.